Using Flash Fill, you can extract information from a column, or you can combine different columns together. Let's say you want to extract the first name. Type first name and hit enter. Now go to Data tab, go to Data Tools, and here at the top there is an icon with the flash. This is called Flash Fill. Click on it. Now you've got first name extracted. The great thing is you can format it in different ways. You can type, for example, first name dash surname. Hit enter. Again, go to Data, Data Tools, and click Flash Fill. You can also use Flash Fill to combine columns together. So, for example, let's say I want to join first name, surname, and department. Go to Data tab, Data Tools, and click Flash Fill again, and boom! I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please give me a like and subscribe, and when you do, click the bell so you will be notified when I post another video. Thanks!